This is the Harvest Right freeze dryer. It's got terrible after-sale support. This is the Blue Alpine freeze dryer. It uses a highly flammable refrigerant. This is the Stay Fresh freeze dryer. You need to change the pump oil every 5 to 10 batches. So all of the home freeze dryers in 2026 have problems. But which one is the best? Let's find out. Before anything else, let's look at the prices. For the freeze dryers to be comparable, we have selected the Harvest Right Medium Freeze Dryer, which is for around $2,400 to $2,500. And we have selected the Blue Alpine Medium Select, which is for $29.95. And we have picked the Stay Fresh with Premier Pump, which is for $26.99. Before we actually get into buying a freeze dryer, we need to know a couple of important things. What does living with a freeze dryer entail? You can't keep any of these machines in your kitchen. They sound like a shop vacuum running for 24 hours straight, and they give out a significant amount of heat, which means that you will want to put them either in your garage, your basement, or a dedicated utility room. Let's start with the Harvest Right Medium Freeze Dryer. It's got 5 trays, which adds up to 675 square inches of tray space, and they claim that they have a fresh food capacity of 10 to 15 pounds per batch. One of the biggest advantages of the Harvest Right, surprisingly, isn't its hardware. It's the ecosystem and daily livability. When it comes to daily operation, Harvest Right has removed one of the biggest friction points, which is pump maintenance. The models which have the Premier vacuum pump requires an oil change only after 30 to 40 batches. And just to put that in perspective, the Blue Alpine and Stay Fresh freeze dryers need an oil change every 5 to 10 batches. Let me say that again. 5 to 10 batches for Blue Alpine and Stay Fresh, 30 to 40 batches for Harvest Right. That's a big difference. When you think about a whole year of use, it comes out to a pretty massive difference in time and maintenance costs. This is a big advantage for Harvest Right. Another important point is that Harvest Right uses a non-flammable refrigerant. When you're running this freeze dryer, which has a heavy-duty compressor 24/7 inside your home, the safety of a non-flammable refrigerant provides genuine peace of mind. Harvest Right also backs their freeze dryer with a 3-year limited warranty, which includes 1 year of full coverage and years 2 and 3 covering the sealed refrigeration system. And importantly, Harvest Right has been selling thousands of home freeze dryers for years, something the other 2 models cannot say. There are literally thousands of reviews, repair videos, Facebook groups, Reddit discussions, YouTube tutorials, and of course, replacement parts are easily available, and there is a whole community of experienced buyers. So if your machine develops a vacuum leak or throws an error, there's a very high chance that someone else has already experienced this problem and shared the fix. This makes it the easiest of the 3 for a first-time owner. Just load the trays, start the freeze dryer, and the software handles the rest. And compatible Pro machines can also use the Harvest Right Wi-Fi system and app, so you'll be able to monitor batches, change settings, and get alerts remotely. But it has a big weakness. It's after-sales support. If you've come across somewhere in social media that the Harvest Right machines are universally unreliable, well, let me tell you that's not true. But what is true is that there is a significant volume of complaints involving vacuum problems, long waits, multiple service calls, and the worst thing, being asked to troubleshoot this expensive machine yourself. When the Harvest Right freeze dryer works, there is no problem at all. But when something goes wrong, the support is not always up to the mark and can sometimes be pretty bad. So that was it about the Harvest Right freeze dryer. Next, we come to the Blue Alpine freeze dryer. Now, Blue Alpine takes a totally different approach. This is the Medium Select model, and it costs $2,995. It's got 5 standard trays, which are 9 by 13 inches quarter sheet pans, which add up to roughly 585 square inches of tray space, which is less than the Harvest Moon's 675 square inches. Blue Alpine claims up to 15 pounds per cycle and says their average freeze drying time is between 12 to 20 hours. But you can't just buy it based on these claims by the manufacturer. Frankly, freeze drying times vary a lot depending on the food type, moisture, thickness, loading, and pre-freezing. And we haven't seen enough of independent testing to verify that it is consistently 25% faster. The more interesting thing about the Blue Alpine Medium Select freeze dryer is how it has been engineered. Blue Alpine uses a circulating fan inside the chamber which improves freezing speed and temperature consistency. It uses a particulate filter between the chamber and the vacuum system. The bottom tray gets additional heater power to compensate for temperature differences. It uses PID temperature control, solid-state relays, and serviceable vacuum fittings. And these are not cosmetic features. They address real problems that can affect freeze dryers over years of use. However, there are two significant compromises that you need to accept for this kind of a performance. First is safety. To achieve this aggressive cooling time, Blue Alpine uses a highly flammable hydrocarbon refrigerant. And if you're planning to put this freeze dryer in your home, then using this freeze dryer with a flammable refrigerant 24/7 is risky. And you have to weight this against the Harvest Right's non-flammable refrigerant. The second compromise is routine maintenance. The machine itself features incredibly serviceable fittings. However, the standard vacuum pump setup will have you changing the oil every 5 to 10 batches. And if you're planning to buy the Blue Alpine freeze dryer to run it fast and hard, you'll be changing pump oil constantly. Keep that in mind. Another great thing about Blue Alpine freeze dryers is that they sell a surprisingly wide range of replacement parts directly to consumers. This includes screens, circuit boards, sensors, valves, hoses, doors, filters, refrigeration components, and more. All of these parts are pretty easily available to owners.
And this is one of Blue Alpine's biggest advantages. In online discussions of Blue Alpine owners, there is a consistent pattern of praise for tech support. Owners often talk about being able to reach knowledgeable people and being able to get detailed answers and, of course, obtain parts. And this really matters. However, one fact is Blue Alpine has far fewer machines in the field than Harvest Right, which also means that there will be a smaller number of complaints, so we cannot immediately correlate it with greater reliability. Its warranty is also nothing extra. It offers 1 year of broad coverage and limited refrigeration coverage beyond the first year, which lags behind Harvest's 3-year plans. So at a price of $2,995, Blue Alpine only wins if it is far ahead in engineering, serviceability, and support. It'll never win on price. And our third and last freeze dryer is the Stay Fresh Premier Pump Freeze Dryer. It's got 5 trays, and it costs $2,699. These are 5 8 by 20-inch trays that give you a massive 800 square inches of space. That is the highest among the 3 we're looking at in this video. On raw capacity for the money, the Stay Fresh is highly competitive, but the capacity is not what makes Stay Fresh interesting. This whole machine is built differently. It uses heavy stainless steel and aluminum components. It uses RTD temperature sensors, replaceable solid-state heater relays, and it has an independent vacuum valve. The Stay Fresh Premier Pump also has stainless steel drain hardware and motorized ball valve designed to reduce the risk of vacuum pump oil contamination. Clearly, Stay Fresh has been designed around the assumption that its components will eventually need servicing or replacement. And that is great. And in terms of warranty, it matches Harvest Right. It offers 1 year full warranty and 3 years limited warranty on the refrigeration system, exactly like the Harvest Right. And all or almost most owner feedback talks about the fact that the machine is heavily built and robust. One word that comes up quite frequently is that it's built like tank. But Stay Fresh does have weaknesses, and the biggest day-to-day headache is the pump. As an owner, you will be changing the vacuum pump oil every 5 batches. That's quite a bit. And if you run this machine constantly to take advantage of its 18-pound capacity, changing the pump oil becomes a messy and exhausting chore compared to Harvest Right's 40-batch Premier Pump. So that's something to keep in mind. Its interface is also less polished than Harvest Right's. Owners have often criticized the documentation manual and say there's quite a bit of a learning curve. It does have a connected app, but this connected app ecosystem is far less mature than Harvest Right's. Stay Fresh owners are frequently praising the fact that they have direct access to knowledgeable technical support, and that is very good. But definitely Stay Fresh is a much smaller company than Harvest Right, which is why it has very personal support right now. But whether this stays like this as the number of machines installed in the field grows is a question mark. And since it has a smaller base, that also means it has fewer tutorials, fewer third-party repair videos, less historical information, and of course, a much smaller owner community. Harvest Right's ecosystem and community is much larger. So here's how I'd actually choose between them. If I was buying my first freeze dryer for home use, I would buy the Harvest Right. It gives you 675 square inches of tray space, simple operation, non-flammable refrigerant, an optional connected app, and of course, a premium pump that saves you from constant vacuum oil changes. Plus, it has the 3-year warranty and a massive support system, which makes it a very compelling choice. You only need to be prepared to put it in a garage because of the noise and the heat. Its biggest weakness is inconsistent customer service experiences when something goes wrong, but for the typical household, its combination of usability, price, and its ecosystem is absolutely unbeatable. So, a great choice. Next, if I was processing serious quantities of food every week and didn't mind getting my hands dirty, I would go ahead and buy Stay Fresh. You get 800 square inches of tray space, heavy construction, a matching 3-year warranty, and a highly serviceable machine. The only thing is that you'll have to be willing to change the oil every 5 batches and deal with a slightly clunkier interface. I would go in for the blue Alpine only if these things were important for me, namely fast cycle times, high-end engineering, modular repairability, access to premium technical support. And to get all this, I will have to be willing to deal with its slightly higher price, slightly lower capacity, and having a flammable refrigerant at home. Before I end, here's one really important point. If you're planning to run a few batches every couple of months, none of these machines will make financial sense. A freeze dryer earns its place by being used. The worst freeze dryer isn't necessarily the one that is unreliable or low quality. It is the $2,500 machine sitting unused in your garage. So that's it for our video on the best freeze dryers in 2026. If you liked it, do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.